In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to PracticePanther. If you use PracticePanther to manage your cases, appointments, and daily schedule, connecting it with your Microsoft Outlook calendar can make your workflow much more efficient. Instead of switching back and forth between different applications, you can keep your calendar information synchronized, making it easier to stay organized and manage your time. The good news is that the setup process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. To get started, sign into your PracticePanther account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you've reached the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on your profile or account name. This opens a menu with several account options. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page loads, you'll see a navigation menu along the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Calendar, Tasks, and Contacts, then open it to access the available calendar integration options. Within this section, locate the Office 365 or Microsoft option. When you find it, click the Activate Sync button. This begins the connection process between PracticePanther and your Microsoft Outlook account. Your web browser will then redirect you to Microsoft's sign-in page. Enter the email address associated with your Outlook or Microsoft account, then continue through the sign-in process if you're prompted to do so. After signing in, Microsoft will display a permission screen explaining that PracticePanther is requesting access to certain calendar information so the two services can work together. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested. If you're comfortable with them, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Accept to authorize the connection. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected back to PracticePanther. If everything was completed successfully, you should see a confirmation message indicating that Microsoft Sync has been set up successfully. At this point, you can also review or adjust the available synchronization permissions based on your preferences. And that's all there is to it. Your Microsoft Outlook calendar is now connected to PracticePanther, making it much easier to keep your schedule synchronized and manage your appointments from both platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you complete the setup quickly and easily.